Welcome to Promonoise. I'm your host, Alex Morin, and I've got an incredible idea from ReturnMe today. But before I really get started, please subscribe to our channel. We're always bringing you revolutionary promotional product ideas. Now, I promised to talk about ReturnMe today. They are only the world's largest lost and found company. How cool is that, right? All of their products carry a service that allows you to recover your lost goods should they get lost. But today we're going to investigate their gift boxes and their customization abilities. What I have in front of me here is a gorgeous gift box with a beautiful foil stamped silver stamp on there. It can be done in gold or any color. And the minute I open that box, I'm greeted by a marketing card that you can customize. So you want to put a message in there that thanks people for their patronage. Airlines will use it to thank people for traveling with them. Mortgage companies will use people to thank them for purchasing a mortgage with their financial institution. The world's your oyster. Put whatever message you want in there. Thanks for a great year. Thanks for helping us out. Thanks for doing business with us. Thanks for being a partner. You can put all kinds of messages in there and use both sides of that card. And in fact, the second side of the card, you can actually include the instructions of how to activate these tags, which incidentally only takes about 10 to 15 seconds. Pretty wild, isn't it? So let's talk about the product and what we're seeing inside this box today. What we've got is a luggage tag and a key tag, and you can put anything you want in this box. If you wanted to put 4 key tags in there because you've got a family of 4, go for it. If you wanted 2 luggage tags or 4 luggage tags or a combination of this and that can be done. Anything you see in the ReturnMe catalog can be put in this beautiful box that's die cut, and the box can be customized to fit any array of products you choose. Now, I love the product, and I like it even more than the GPS type approach of these types of recovery vehicles, because this one here maintains my privacy. When I register, like I said, it'll take me about 15 seconds, and my information is stored safely and securely in a database, so that if I lose my luggage, my skis, my guitar, and I've got a tag attached to it, and somebody finds it, the back of that tag is going to say "Return Me for reward." They're prompted to call a 1-800 number, after which ReturnMe staff will actually take that phone call and they will return it anywhere in the world. That's right. If you lose your goods in Bangladesh, it will be returned to you in New York City or wherever you happen to be. It's incredible. And what I like most about this product is that it lasts a lifetime. Your membership to ReturnMe lasts forever. If you lose goods and you still have a tag on your goods 15 years from now, they will be returned to you. The company is actually 15 years old. They've just celebrated their 100,000th return of lost property, which is incredible. And they still have people that are using the tags they got 15 years ago and having their lost goods returned to them. How's that for longevity? Seeing the brand on the product 365 days a year as it's attached to your key tag and seeing that brand is one thing. But losing your goods in 14 years and having those returned to you is another thing. How many times can you say that about a promotional product? That A, it provides terrific branding, and B, you've got a service that will last as long as the product lasts. For all of those reasons, I love this product and I love the company. So, like this video, subscribe to this channel. I'm Alex from Promonoise, and we will keep on bringing you unbelievable ideas just like this one from ReturnMe. Until the next one, hey, let's keep making beautiful noise.